This is Custom Quality Homes of Thomasville, and I'm fixing to show you some house candy. Entry. Walk in. It's a very cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath. What you see is what you get. Upgraded above transom windows for more natural light. Beautiful country setting. Country little kitchen. Would work well at a little hunter's cabin or an in-law suite. 2 rooms to the left. 1, 2, and standard bath. It's a beautiful smoky light gray flooring. Let's go check out the master. Huge master. Into the master bath. Comes with upgradable optional double sinks. Above transom window. Cabinetry. Turn. Beautiful stone tile shower. Large overhead. Nice and big. Semi-quiet potty. And very, very long and large closet. Like I said, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Very country-esque. And we are welcoming you to the Pistol.